Hi, I'm Pastor Andrew Sanchez from Lighthouse Christian Temple, and we're a non-denomination church, and we're here to serve.
God is calling us to help set His captive free. Amen.
Because in times of trouble that we lack love. How many of you know what I'm talking about?
I do wanted to extend an invitation to our church. Our church services are from Sunday morning at 11 to 12:45.